Here are some cute facts about playing. Baby cats, kittens, play as practice for hunting. When kittens chase toys or pounce on their siblings, they're actually practicing their hunting skills. They can jump high, even as babies. A playful kitten can jump up to 6 times its body length in one leap. Playtime helps them bond. Kittens playing together build strong social bonds and learn important cat manners. Anything can be a toy. From bottle caps to paper balls, kittens can turn almost anything into a game. After play comes nap time. Baby